Stop right here. I've gone through dozens of solar security cameras in 2026, and what I found is going to change how you shop for home security. Here's the most surprising thing. One camera on this list does something no Arlo Pro 6 and no Ring at any price can match, and I'll reveal exactly what when we get there. I'm also going to expose a hugely popular camera brand that quietly locks your most important features behind a paid subscription. Most buyers don't know this until after they buy. Near the end, I'll give you one specific question that will instantly tell you which camera is right for your home, even if you've been going back and forth for weeks. Product links are in the description. Starting at number 6, the Eufy 4G LTE Cam S330, priced at $249.99, with the solar panel already in the box. Here's the one thing that separates this from everything else on this list. Every other camera here needs Wi-Fi to function. This one doesn't care. If your Wi-Fi drops, if there's a power outage, if you're covering a remote gate, a barn, or a spot 200 feet past your router, the S330 flips to 4G LTE automatically and keeps recording without missing a beat. The included SIM card works on AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon and automatically picks the strongest signal. Specs: true 4K video, 344-degree horizontal pan and 70-degree tilt, AI tracking that follows people automatically, and a 9400 mAh battery. Eufy says 2 hours of solar charging per day keeps it powered indefinitely. A 32 GB micro SD is included for free local storage. No subscription needed unless you want cloud backup, starting at just $3 a month. Tom's Guide, real-world testing found the solar panel kept the battery between 95 and 100% through an entire summer without a single manual charge. Trade-offs worth knowing: no Apple HomeKit support, no optical zoom, and running on 4G constantly uses about $700 of cellular data a month per Eufy's own usage data. This camera is built for one specific buyer: the person whose Wi-Fi simply doesn't reach where they need coverage. Farms, detached garages, remote properties. If that's your situation, nothing else on this list fits the job. Number 5, the Swann MaxRanger4K Solar. The 2-camera bundle starts at $399.99, and the 4-camera system runs $599.99. Yes, it costs more. Here's exactly why it earned its spot. The MaxRanger4K runs on 900 MHz Wi-Fi Halo, with a real-world range of 650 feet through walls, trees, and concrete, and up to 2,000 feet in open air. That's roughly 20 times the signal reach of a standard Wi-Fi security camera. For big properties, ranches, or anyone whose cameras keep dropping signal at the fence line, nothing at this price touches it for connection reliability. The cameras shoot 4K using Sony Starvis sensors, the same imaging hardware found in professional-grade surveillance equipment. Night vision covers up to 130 feet. The TrueDetect Plus system pairs thermal heat sensing with motion analysis for near-zero false alerts. Best Buy reviewers who tested this confirmed 0 false detections even with a tree branch swinging directly in front of the lens. The hub has 64 GB built-in storage, up to 12 months of rolling footage on a 2-camera setup with no monthly fees. IP66 rated cameras handle rain, extreme heat, and freezing temperatures. Solar panels are built directly into each camera body, so there's nothing separate to mount. The hub also carries a backup battery, keeping the system alive for up to 5 hours during power outages. Honest downside: the app has gotten mixed reviews from users, and setup takes more time than a typical plug-and-play Wi-Fi camera. Bottom line on who this is for: if you've already tried standard Wi-Fi cameras on a large property and they kept losing signal, this is the system that ends that problem for good. It's purpose-built for serious coverage where regular cameras simply can't reach. Number 4, the TP-Link Tapo C615F Kit at $99.99, regularly available around $85 at Amazon and Best Buy. At this price, the feature list is genuinely hard to believe. You get 2K video, a motorized pan and tilt covering 338-degree horizontal and 97-degree vertical, an 800-lumen built-in floodlight, and AI detection for people, vehicles, and pets. All completely free, no subscription required. The 2400 battery is large for this price range, and the included solar panel needs just 45 minutes of direct sunlight per day to sustain it through 100 triggered events daily, per TP-Link's own lab testing. HomecamCafe.com installed one on the side of a house and confirmed it ran with 0 manual charging since installation, sitting consistently between 80 and 90% battery throughout. PC World highlighted the dual-band Wi-Fi at 2.4 and 5 GHz, a real connectivity upgrade over single-band budget cameras, along with two-way audio, a 97 dB siren, and local microSD storage up to 512 GB. Works with Alexa and Google Home. Honest trade-offs: the 100-degree field of view is narrower than a fixed lens camera, and 800 lumens is noticeably dimmer than a hardwired floodlight. Now, Here's the popular brand I promised to expose in the opening. Ring's Floodlight Cam Pro costs $199.99, twice the price of this Tapo. Without a Ring Protect subscription at $3.99 a month, that's another $48 every single year. It saves absolutely zero motion-triggered video clips. You're paying $200 for a camera that can't record events, unless you keep paying year after year on top of that. The Tapo C615F does everything Ring does, free right out of the box. That's the trap. Number 3, the Reolink Solar Floodlight Camera at $109.99. Different design philosophy from the Tapo. This is a fixed lens camera, no pan or tilt, but it covers a wider 150-degree field of view and has 2 side-mounted floodlights hitting up to 1,000 lumens, 25% brighter than the Tapo's light. One specific detail worth calling out at this price: you can adjust the color temperature from 3000K warm yellow to 6000K cool daylight white. It's a rare feature here, and it makes a real visual difference in how your property looks at night. SafeWise ran a full at-home installation review and found the solar charge held consistently, even on partially cloudy days, and the camera never lost power once installed. AI detection was reliable, with vehicles correctly identified and not confused with animals or general movement. The 7th 1800 mAh battery gives up to 90 days of standby without any sunlight at all. Resolution is 2K at 25/60x1440. Wi-Fi 6 dual band for stable streaming, a 110 dB siren, no subscription, and local microSD storage up to 512 GB. The solar panel sits directly on top of the camera body. Nothing extra to mount separately. CG Magazine's hands-on review put it plainly. Strong video quality, simple setup, and local recording without locking any features behind a subscription. Here's the simple way to choose between this and the Tapo at number 4. If you need the camera to physically follow movement, pan, tilt, and actively track someone across your yard, get the Tapo. If you need brighter light, a wider fixed view, and no moving parts to worry about, get this one. 2 different tools for 2 different jobs. Pick based on how your property is actually laid out. Number 2, the EufyCam S3 Pro, sold as a 2-camera kit with Homebase 3 for $549.99. Tom's Guide put it plainly after hands-on testing. The best 4K performance for the price for a camera that doesn't require a subscription. Here's what that actually means in real life. The S3 Pro uses max color vision, a 1x1.8-inch CMOS sensor with an f1.0 aperture. That combination pulls full color detail from near complete darkness with no visible spotlight. Trusted reviews, real-world testing describe the night footage as near-on daylight levels of quality, all shot at night. No white light announcing the camera, no IR blur, clean, colorful, detailed footage in the dark. Detection uses a dual radar plus PIR system, which Eufy says cuts false alerts by 99%. That radar layer is rare at any price. It filters out insects, rain, and wind that trigger standard PIR-only cameras constantly. Power is fully covered. The Solar Plus 2.0 integrated panel charges the camera with just 1 hour of daily sunlight, and it's 50% more efficient than previous UFY solar designs. The 13,000 mAh backup battery runs up to 365 days standalone. Facial recognition, vehicle detection, pet detection, and cross-camera tracking are all free through Homebase 3. Local storage starts at 16 GB built-in and expands up to 16 TB via a SATA drive. No subscription. PC World reviewed the complete kit as an easy recommendation for anyone who wants premium features without monthly fees. One honest downside, the Homebase 3 is required for advanced AI features, and $550 is a real upfront investment. But year over year, it's significantly cheaper than Arlo hardware, plus an Arlo Secure subscription stacked on top, year after year. Before number 1, here it is. Answer this honestly, and you'll know exactly which camera is right for your home. Are you trying to cover one focused entry point, a front door, a side gate, a specific corner? Or do you need one camera to cover a wide open space, like a full driveway or an entire backyard? If it's one focused point, the EufyCam S3 Pro or the Reolink Floodlight are the right tools. Precise, sharp, purpose-built. If it's a wide open space you're trying to cover with a single unit, number 1 was made exactly for that. And what it does will genuinely change what you thought was possible from one camera. The number 1 best solar security camera of 2026. The Reolink Argus 4 Pro with solar panel at $219.99. Solar panel already included in the box. Here's what no Arlo Pro 6 and no Ring camera can do at any price. The Argus 4 Pro uses 2 4mm lenses mounted side by side, stitching their feeds in real time into a seamless 180-degree 4K panoramic image. That's 5120 x 1440 resolution, 8 megapixels, covering your full driveway, your entire backyard, Your complete front approach, with 0 dead angles from a single camera, one unit doing what would normally take 2 or 3 cameras to cover. The ColorX night vision is the feature nobody talks about enough. Standard cameras use infrared LEDs and produce grainy black and white footage in the dark. The Argus 4 Pro's f1.0 aperture sensor captures full color detail in near total darkness, with no visible spotlight, no white light giving the camera away, and no bright glow waking anyone up. Digital reviews. Network tested it in a completely unlit outdoor area with no street lighting nearby and confirmed sharp, colorful footage, faces, clothing, and movement all clearly visible. The 6W solar panel comes in the box. Reolink's testing shows just 10 minutes of direct sunlight per day sustains 24 hours of operation. HomeCamCafe.com's real-world testing across multiple climates confirmed the battery stays above 95% consistently with moderate sun exposure. Set it up once and genuinely forget about it, no subscription. Free AI detection for people, vehicles, and animals. Local storage up to 512 GB microSD, Wi-Fi 6 dual band, IP66 weatherproof, 2-year warranty with lifetime tech support directly from Reolink. For covering a wide open space with the sharpest image, the cleanest night footage, the widest coverage, and 0 monthly fees, this is the camera of 2026. That's your 2026 solar security camera ranking. Tight budget with strong features. Tapo C615F, no Wi-Fi at your install spot. Eufy's 4G LTE S330. Large property with a serious signal problem. Swann MaxRanger4K. Premium no-fee home security. EufyCam S3 Pro. And for the widest single camera coverage with the cleanest night image and no monthly bill ever, Reolink Argus 4 Pro. All product links are in the description. Subscribe if this helped you decide.